Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft new Bing Chat GPT 4 for free. In my last video, I have shown how to sign up for ChatGPT 3.5 and how to use it. But today we are going to work on Microsoft new Bing Chat GPT 4, which is absolutely free. But before that, let's do a little bit comparison between these two. If we go here, we can see GPT 3.5 short-term memory is around 8,000 words, whereas GPT 4's short-term memory extends to around 64,000 words. Now you can imagine the difference between these two, right? And in terms of safety, GPT-4 is much more safer than ChatGPT 3.5 because GPT-4 is inbuilt with Microsoft, and GPT-4 gives you more accurate information than ChatGPT 3.5 because ChatGPT 3.5 gives you information based on the information they had up until 2021, and GPT-4 gives you the most recent information. And on top of that, GPT-4 generate images along with the text. So that's very cool. And if you want to do coding for website or app with GPT-4, you can do it more easily and more accurately than ChatGPT 3.5. So now, if you have already signed up for ChatGPT 3.5, which is also free, you can upgrade to Plus to use ChatGPT 4. If you click here, upgrade to Plus, you will see you have to pay $20 a month subscription fees to use ChatGPT 4. But today we will see how we can use Microsoft new Bing ChatGPT 4 for absolutely free. All right, now let's begin the show. To use Bing ChatGPT 4, you have to have Microsoft Edge browser installed on your PC, laptop, or on your mobile phone. If you haven't installed yet, I'm giving the download link in the description box. You can download and install it. It's very simple and easy. All right, so now I'm using a Google Chrome browser. If I open one tab here and write here bing.com and enter, we can see Microsoft Bing search engine comes up. So we can see here the option chat. If we click on chat, we can see chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. Okay, open in Microsoft Edge. If I click here, this message comes up because I already have Microsoft Edge installed on my PC. So I will go and open Microsoft Edge. Okay, now we are in Bing ChatGPT 4 powered by OpenAI. As you can see here, there are three options available: creative, balanced, precise. If you want to do something creative or imaginative, if you want to write a poem, story, or if you want to generate an image, you can select creative. Or if you want to do something balanced, you can select balanced to do something informative or friendly. And if you want to do something precise or concise, you can select precise. And we can see on top right corner the discover, and the same features are available in a compressed way. Now if I want to ask something like what are the 5 top hit songs this week in the UK? Bing ChatGPT 4 a little bit slower than ChatGPT 3.5, but it gives you more accurate and informative answers than ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, now we have our top hit songs in the UK from the last week. Okay, if you compare with ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 3.5 has a knowledge up until 2021, where Bing ChatGPT 4 is giving you an answer from the last week. So we can say Bing ChatGPT 4 is far more superior than ChatGPT 3.5. Here also it gives us the official link for song list and also giving us relevant questions to this song. If you click on compose, Here I can generate like a paragraph, email, blog post, ideas, or I can choose the length for my content, or I can choose the tone for my content as well. So let's say if I want to write an email, and if I choose the length short, I write here, write an application to my boss for 3 days leave, and generate draft. So now it's giving me an email draft. Now we understand how this comprised version works. Now let's go to see the full version of Bing ChatGPT 4. So to get to the expanded version, we need to sign in. Here you need a Microsoft account to sign in. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to create one. Then click on next, password, sign in. Yes. Okay, now we have full access to Microsoft Bing Chat GPT-4. Okay, now let's say we want to generate here something. Okay, click on balance here, and right here I want to create an YouTube channel about history. Can you provide me with 10 YouTube channel name ideas? Then click here. And it's giving me 10 channel name ideas for history YouTube channel. So basically this Bing Chat GPT-4 has limitation, like in same chat you can ask 30 questions, and you can ask 300 questions in one day, but I think it's pretty enough. But if you want to start a new topic, you can click here and start a new topic. Okay, so if I click on new topic, I can start once again. So if I want to create something like poem, or if I want to create something like story, so let's say I click on creative and I ask, can you write a kid story about a king in the forest? Okay, it's giving me a kid story, and it also gives me a name of the story. Okay, name of the king of the forest. Okay, and also giving me a full story. So basically it's very easy and comprehensive. And also give me some relevant questions like, can you write another story, or what is the moral of this story, how can I teach my kids to respect nature and animals. So now here in Bing ChatGPT 4, I also can generate image. Okay, let's say I want to generate an image for this kid story. Can you generate an image about a king on a horse? Sure, I can try to generate an image about a king on a horse. Okay, it will take some times. So these are our OpenAI generated images. We can use any of these to our story. If we go down, we can see it is powered by DALL-E. So let's say we want to use this image. But before that, we want to make sure that this image is copyright free. So let's click on this image, and if we right click here, copy image link, and if we go to Google Chrome and open a new tab and come here and search by image, paste the link here and search. Here we can check the Google if there is any similar image. No, there is no same image here. Okay, so that means it's a unique image. So another thing we can do, find the image source. You see there is no source for this image. Okay, so that means this image is copyright free and we can use it. So this is how we can also generate image here. So now if I go to new topic again, write a coding for a website for my food business. So now it's giving me a HTML coding for my website. And there are many other ways and options to utilize and manipulate this app. You have to try it yourself. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to upload more videos about ChatGPT. So stay tuned. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.